Okay, our second example is asking us to again decide if they are complementary or supplementary, but to also find the value of x. So in A, I can already tell just by looking at this that this is a complementary angle. And the reason I can tell that is because I see the 90-degree angle square. Whenever you see that little square, that means that that angle is 90 degrees. So I can already tell this by looking at it without having to add them together. I know that this is 90 degrees. So since I know that them combined equals 90, I can write my own equation. So I can say 4x plus 36 equals 90. And now I'm just going to solve for an equation which we have done multiple times before. So first I'm going to undo my subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 36 from both sides. These cancel out. So I'm left with 4x equals 90 minus 36, which is 54. And I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides because 4x right here is multiplication. So to undo that, I have to divide. So I'm going to be left with x equals 54 divided by 4, which is 13.5. So 13.5. And again, if you want to check your work, you can plug this 13.5 back into your original equation to check your work to make sure it does equal 90. All right, so let's try B. So right off the bat here, again, I can tell that this is a supplementary angle just because I know, like we said on the front page, that a line equals 180 degrees. And I know that both of these angles combined are going to make that line. So I know that this is supplementary. So then what I can do is I can say x plus x minus 4 equals 180. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine here. So now I'm going to combine like terms. I have two x's. So I'm just going to say 2x minus 4 equals 180. To undo this operation of subtraction, I need to add. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So 2x equals 184. And then to undo that multiplication, I'm just going to divide by 2 on both sides. So what I'm left with is x equals 184 divided by 2, which equals 92. And again, if you were to plug this back into your equation, you would get 180 if you wanted to plug in both of these x's as 92 to check your work.